This is the life skill that college students should learn. The fruits of teaching college students lifehacks. 1. Oranges are divided into male and female. A small dot at the bottom is a male orange. Male orange acid. This one with a circle is a mother orange. Mother orange is delicate and very sweet. 2. Apple should choose this striped one. No pitting. Go for this striped one. Juicy and sweet. 3. Buy this slender mango. Round is female. The core is relatively large. Thin is male. The core is relatively small. The fruit is relatively rich. 4. Man-cut fruit pedicle green is fresher. The shell is softer and better. The number of petals is equal to the number of pulp petals. 5. Bananas are best bought with small dots. The green at the head and tail indicates that it is not overripe. Not sweet enough. 6. The smaller the circle at the bottom of the watermelon, the better. The larger the circle, the thicker the skin. Striped selection neatly textured turquoise. For black beauty watermelons like this, choose the shiny leather. 7. The more lines the cantaloupe, the better it tastes. 8. Durian is selected with fine thorns. Thin and full of thorn fine shell. Thick thorns are very average. 9. Cherries are dark in color and strong in taste. The deeper the boil, the sweeter it is. Elastic, crispier and sweeter. 10. Kiwi is hard but not soft. Leave it with bananas for a few more days and it will be soft. The yellow heart belly button should be small. Green heart chooses the one that can't shed hair. Home repair tips. Learn is earn. 1. What should I do if there are cracks in the white wall of my home? First, wipe the dust off the surface with a rag. Then soak the soap in white vinegar for 1 hour. Then apply lightly to the crack. And squeeze toothpaste on the crack. Gently apply with your fingers. Then let stand for 2 hours. The crack disappears after sucking dry. 2. The lid handle at home fell off. Don't panic, cut a bottle mouth and trim the edges. Drill a hole in the center of the cap. Screws through pot and bottle caps. Screw on the nut. Screw the bottle mouth on again and you're done. It works better than the original. 3. The key was accidentally broken in the keyhole. Prepare a glue stick. After heating with a lighter. Immediately align with clavicle position. Gently pull after waiting to solidify. The key is out. 4. The umbrella beads on the umbrella are broken. Find a used water refill. Let's cut a section of it first, about 2 centimeters. After cutting it out, then use a lighter to burn the head of the refill. Then press that end. Plug the opening. After blocking, we use lighters again. Burn at 2/3 of the refill. Cut it with scissors again. Be careful not to cut. Let it form a groove. We use needles again. Sew it to where the loose beads fall off. The line is just stuck in the groove. No matter how you pull it, it won't fall off. 5. Don't worry if the water pipe is broken. Take a section of...
Learn these few tips for cleaning shoes. No need to buy new shoes anymore. Buy Gadgetsgoo with conditioner. Wipe suede shoes. It looks like it's newly purchased. If the slippers at home turn yellow, add toothpaste and baking soda. Pour white vinegar. Add water to soak. Brush them. The shoes will look brand new. Mix face wash with toothpaste. Wipe leather shoes. They will shine like waxed. Scratches on the shoe upper. Squeeze a drop of wind oil essence. It will clean them right up. Mix dish soap with vinegar. Wipe mesh shoes. They will be very clean. If leather shoes get dirty, apply a bit of hand cream. Even out the creases. Mix toothpaste with laundry detergent. Wipe yellowed white shoes. They will be very clean. There is handwriting on the shoes. Drop a few drops of wind oil essence. They will easily come off. Mix cola with baking soda, white wine, and laundry detergent. Stir well. Gently brush with a toothbrush. You can clean white shoes this way. Follow me. Teach you more tips every day.